Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Northeastern Hill University haringkat ka jingitray lang bat ka Royal Society of Chemistry kalapelong ya ka Salters Chemistry Camp kabla sedang nadu ka arprat kulalingkot arjar arpho bat ka bansa penkut no ha ka laipho kulalingkot arjar arpho ya ka bala pelong ha Center for Advanced Studies in Chemistry jong ka school ba Northeastern Hill University. U Professor SK Srivastawa ulong Vice Chancellor jong ka Northeastern Hill University ulong Kongsan ha kani kasngi. Hakni ka program lawan yang simentaru deki khana puli jong ki school ba fer ki badan hakeleng jong jela ki badang puli kelas 9 bat kelas 10 habakran hakni sngi u Professor Srivastawa la penslor ya ki khana school bakin sim ya kani ka subject chemistry ka ban long ka jimento ya ki hadian habun kiwi belai don lang hakni ka program ki kentop u Professor RHD Lingdo ka program executive ka Divya MR bat u local coordinator u Dr. Rishan L Nongklau.
Whenever we see a painter applying varnish or paint to a house, or whenever we buy or consume medicines for our ailments, or whenever we see ourselves eating food and digesting it within our stomachs, there we see chemistry in action. These are all chemical phenomena. So chemistry is not too far removed from everyday life, and that is why it is so fascinating. And we are so happy that renowned institutes like the Salters Institute, in collaboration with the Royal Society of Chemistry, are able to launch this inspirational chemistry program for 5 years under the generous sponsorship of Mr. Yusuf Hamid. We all must really jump at such opportunities, especially the young people, the young students. I would encourage you very much to pursue an interest and fascination with this subject of chemistry. Chemistry is not boring, my dear friends. If it was boring, probably you would not even have signed up to be present here. But it is exciting, it is wonderful, and I hope that during these 3 days of camping here, you'll take this opportunity, that your eyes may be opened to the wonders of chemistry, and you'll find that the science of chemistry holds a clue to many things, to understanding many things that happen in your world and my world.
Do a simple iodine estimation in salt. These days, because of the goiter and other problems, these salts are iodized. For the last few decades, is mandatory. So different salts which were prevalent in the entire Manipur, we collected several hundreds of samples, and in the laboratory using simple titrimetry, using sodium thiosulfate and potassium triiodate and all that, standard protocol. We did that, and it was very exciting that the iodine content in salt you can estimate using burette, pipette, conical flask, water of course as a solvent, make certain solutions, and very simple chemistry, right? So what I'm trying to say that this is a fantastic subject we have, and chemistry is one of the subjects which is central, to science, to the humanity. Without chemistry, you simply cannot think of socio-economic, technological development of any society, of any country, of any region. That is just cannot be thought of. So chemistry, when I said this is central science, you imagine a circle, and then there are different circles, which are overlapping or which are crisscrossing, this central circle. So chemistry has its impact on health, engineering. It connects very well with physics. Mathematics also has come in. Pharmaceutical industries, agriculture, everything under the sun. Chemists have contributed. Chemistry as a subject, as an activity, is indispensable to the society, to the nation, to the humanity, to the entire world.